still hear you in the silence of the night, like the rain never left the window.
Or maybe we never really did.
City lights, city lights fade into gray. I walk through memories that don't decay. Your shadow lives in every street, every echo, every heartbeat. I touch the air where you once stood. Still smells like June, still feels like wood. Burns slow like a love we lost without knowing the cost. I wrote your name on the back of time, but the ink just ran when the tears collided. We were close, but never enough, like a song we almost loved. So we fall between the raindrops and you, where every goodbye still feels brand new. I reach for your voice in the dark, so blue, but it turns to silence like we always do. And I know we were never meant to stay. Still I love you in every broken way, between the raindrops and you. I still wear the cold of your goodbye, like perfume that never really dries. Every mirror shows your face, in a different time, a different place. I try to run from what we were, but every step just made it blur. Now I live in what we lost, counting every unseen cost. Oh, if love was real, why does it fade? Why do warm hearts turn to shades? I call your name into the night, but it never finds the light. So we fall between the raindrops and you, where every goodbye still feels brand new. I reach for your voice in the dark, so blue, but it turns to silence like we always do. And I know we were never meant to stay. Still I love you in every broken way, between the raindrops and you. If I could rewrite the sky tonight, I'd keep your hand in mine. But time doesn't wait for hearts like ours. It just leaves scars and faded stars. We were real, even if we broke, even if the world let go. So we fall between the raindrops and you, where every goodbye still feels brand new. I reach for your voice in the dark, so blue, and I finally let it become the truth. If love remains in what we've been through, then I'll always live inside of you, between the raindrops and you. I still hear in every drop, between the raindrops and you. We used to talk in the language of silence. Now even silence feels too loud. I still remember how quiet it was before we broke. lights bleeding into the night. I'm tracing shadows where you used to lie. Your name still echoes in my code, like a story I can't let go.
I told myself I'd be okay, but every hour still calls your name.
Time moves on, but I don't. I stay where your memory won't.
You said love would never fade,
but it changed shape when we
walked away.
Now I hear you in the rain, calling through the pain.
We're fading in slow motion,
like waves that never hit the shore.
still caught in the same emotion.
We swore we wouldn't feel anymore,
And I reach, but you're not there. Only echoes in the air.
we're fading in slow motion,
But I still love you. Somewhere I keep your voice inside my skin, like a fire I can't let dim. Every mirror shows your face in a half-forgotten place. I walk the rooms we used to know, but they don't feel like home no more. Even the air feels strange, like it learned how we change.
I try to rewrite the past, but every version didn't last. You slipped through every line I draw, like you were never here at all.
We're fading in slow motion,
like waves that never hit the shore.
still caught in the same emotion.
We swore we wouldn't feel anymore,
And I reach, but you're not there. Only echoes in the air.
we're fading in slow motion,
But I still love you. Somewhere, if I could pause the way we break, I'd hold your heart, not let it shake.
but love doesn't wait for hands to heal. It leaves you learning what is real.
And maybe we were never wrong, just a love that couldn't stay too long.
We're fading in slow motion,
But I feel you in my veins,
every goodbye, every notion.
still whispers through the pain. And I reach and you are there, not in touch but in the air.
We're fading in slow motion,
But love is everywhere. I still hear you in the quiet.
even when we're gone.
We're still fading in slow motion.
Oh,
In slow motion.
I still talk to you in my head at night, like you never left,
Like we just paused, not ended.
The city sleeps in broken light. I'm walking through the same goodbye. Your jacket still hangs in my mind, like a ghost I never signed. I hear you laughing, passing cars, and every stranger, every bar. Time moves slow, but I don't heal. I still don't know what's real.
You said love would find a way, but we lost it in the grave. Now I feel you in the rain,
Calling my name. If we meet in the rain, clothes, a perfume on an empty coat. Every mirror I look through still reflects a trace of you. I try to build a life alone, but every road still leads me home to where your voice used to stay before it drifted away. I told myself I'd move on fast, but every moment drags the past, and every heartbeat feels the same, like it still knows your name. If we meet in the rain again, would you know me like back then? Are we just two distant names in different skies, different fame? Still I reach through time and space to find your face, your safe place. If we meet in the rain again, don't let it end the same way then. I don't need forever now, just one moment somehow to say the words I never said before we turned and left. If love still breathes in broken days, let it rain, let it breathe. If we meet in the rain again, let the world forget where we've been. No more names, no more pain, just us standing in the rain. And I'll reach and you'll be there. No more distance in the air. If we meet in the rain again, let it be the start, not the end. I still wait for that rain. I still wait for that rain. I still wait for you. If we meet in the rain again. The night still remembers your footsteps, even if you don't. And I still remember how we used to breathe together. I walk through streets we used to own, now they feel like carved in stone. Every corner calls your name, but nothing feels the same. Your voice still lives inside my code, like a song I didn't know I wrote. Time moved on, I stayed behind, inside a version of our time. I try to wash you from my skin, but you're the silence I'm still in. Every night I hear you say, don't drift away. And we fall into the memory light, where love still breathes but loses fight. If you're here or just in my mind, I still reach through space and time. We were fire, we were rain, now we're echoes of the pain. Still I call your name tonight, in the place where we survive. I keep your shadow in my chest, like a secret I never confessed. Every mirror shows your face, in a softer, empty space. I learned to smile, I learned to hide, but I still break a little inside when the world gets way too loud. You're the quiet I allow. I told myself I'd let you go, but love don't move that slow. It lingers where the heart has been, like it never leaves the skin. And we fall into the memory light, where love still breathes but loses fight. If you're here or just in my mind, I still reach through space and time. We were fire, we were rain, now we're echoes of where we survive. If I could rewrite the way we end, I'd break less, I'd bend again. But some things don't come twice, even if you pay the price. So we live inside the past we made, in the love that never stayed. And we fall into the memory light where life still breathes but loses fight. If you're here or just in my mind, I still reach through space and time. We were fire, we were rain, but I choose you once again. Even if it breaks me right, I'd still find you in the night. The night still remembers us. Even if we don't, we still remain somewhere in the dust of love. I still see you in the dark, not as you are, but as you were. And I still feel you in the silence between heartbeats. We used to talk until the morning came. Now even memories feel ashamed. Your name still lingers on my tongue, like a song left undone. I walk through rooms we used to fill, every corner stays too still. Time moved on, but I stayed here, drowning in what used to be near. I thought I'd heal with passing days, but you don't fade in normal ways. You stay inside the quiet air, like you're still there. We loved in quiet colors when no one else could see. Between the rain and thunder, you were everything to me. Now I reach, but you're not close, just a shadow I still hold. We loved in quiet colors and lost them in the cold. I still wear your goodbye like skin, something I can't wash within. Every mirror shows your face in a softer broken place. I learned to smile through the ache, but some nights still make me break. When the world turns down the sound, that's where I still find you around. I try to write you out of me, but love don't leave so easily. It stays in places I don't show and never lets me go. We loved in quiet colors when no one else could see. Between the rain and thunder, you were everything to me. Now I reach, but you're not close, just a shadow I still hold. We loved in quiet colors and lost them in the cold. If I could pause the way we broke, I'd hold your hand before it goes. But time was louder than our hearts and pulled us both apart. Still somewhere deep inside the night, we never said goodbye. We loved in quiet colors, but they faded into gray. Still I see you in the thunder, still I hear what you won't say. And I reach and you feel close, like a memory I won't let go. We loved in quiet colors I didn't know silence could sound like you. But it does. It always did. Even when we were together. I walk through nights that feel too long. Every streetlight hums our song. Your shadow drifts across my skin, like a place I've always been. I still talk to empty air, like you might answer somewhere there. Time moves forward, I stay behind, living in a borrowed time. You said love will never break, but it breaks in different ways. Now I hear you in the rain, softly calling out my name. So we echo through the night, two lost hearts still holding light. Even distance feels too near. When I close my eyes, you're here. We were fire, now we're smoke, still inside the words we spoke. So we echo, you and I, underneath the same sky. I still wear your goodbye like lace, something soft I can't erase. Every mirror shows your face in a slower, empty space. I learned how to breathe alone, but I still feel you in my bones. When the world turns down to sound, that's where you are found. I told myself I'd let you go, but letting go moves too slow. You stay in everything I do, like it's still me and you. So we echo through the night, hey, two lost hearts still holding light. Even distance feels too near. When I close my eyes, you're here. We were fire, now we're smoke, still inside the words we spoke. So we echo, you and I, underneath the same sky. If I could pause the way we fall, I'd keep your hand through it all. But love don't wait for perfect timing, it leaves us both still climbing. And maybe we were never meant to stay, just meant to fade this way. So we echo through the night, but it doesn't feel like goodbye. Every broken piece of me still believes, hey, it's meant to be. We were fire, now we're smoke, still inside the words we spoke. So we echo, you and I, till the end of time. I still hear you in the echo, I still feel you in the silence. We don't end, we just echo. I still feel you, even when I don't see you. You never really left, you just became the end. I walk home through the same old light, Street lights flicker like your eyes at night. Every step feels twice too slow, like time forgot where to go. I keep your voice inside my head, and all the words we never said. It's funny how love can stay, even when it fades away. I try to drown you in the noise, but I still hear your quiet voice calling me back through the rain, soft inside the pain. There's a space between your heart and mine, where we still exist in borrowed time. I reach for you, you slip away like dawn that never stays, but I still hold between your heart and mine. We still survive. I wear your goodbye like a dress, soft and heavy on my chest. Every mirror shows your trace, in a slower, empty space. I learned to breathe through the ache, but some nights still make me break. When the world goes soft and low, that's when you come back home. I told myself I'd let you go, but letting go don't move so slow. You stay in every part of me, like you are meant to be. There's a space between your heart and mine, where we still exist in borrowed time. I reach for you, stays, but I still hold what we became, even if we lost our names. In the space between your heart and mine, we still survive. If I could rewrite what we lost, I'd pay any cost. But some love don't get a second life, just fades over time. There's somewhere deep inside the night we never said goodbye. There's a space between your heart and mine, but I still cross it every time. Even distance feels like truth when it leads me back to you. We were never meant to stay, but we never went away. In the space between your heart and mine, we still shine. I'm still there in your space, and you're still here in mine, between your heart and mine. The night still knows your name, even if I try to forget it. It never really learned how to leave us alone. I walk through streets that still feel warm, like your shadow changed the storm. Every light looks like your face in a slower, empty space. I keep your silence in my chest, like a secret I never rest. Time moves forward, I don't know why. I'm still stuck in your goodbye. You said love would fade away, but it only changed its shape. Now I hear you in the rain, connected in disguise. I reach for you, you reach too late. Still we fight against the fate. When the night learns our names again, we become us once again. I still wear your goodbye like skin, soft but burning deep within. Every mirror shows your trace in a colder, slower place. I learned how to breathe alone, but I still feel you in my bones. When the world goes quiet alone, that's where you still show. I told myself I'd move ahead, but I still hear the words you said, like echoes in an empty room, pulling me back to you. When the night learns our names again, it remembers where we've been. Two hearts lost in different skies, still connected in disguise. I reach for you, you reach too late. Still we fight against the fate. When the night learns our names again, we become us once again. If I could hold the falling time, I'd make your heart still mine. But love don't wait for perfect hands. It slips through broken plans. Still somewhere under all we lost, we were worth the cost. The night learns our names again. It will whisper where we've been. No more distance, no more lies, just reflections in our eyes. And I reach and you are there, like you never disappeared. When the night learns our names again, we begin again. The night still knows you, and I still know you too. When the night learns our names. I still hear you in the quiet, even when the world is loud. You live somewhere in the silence I can't escape. Oh, I walk through nights that feel too long. Every shadow sings our song. Streetlights flicker like your eyes in 1,000 faded skies. I keep your name inside my coat, like a line I never wrote. Time moves on, but I don't leave. I still breathe what we used to be. You said love would find its way, but it broke along the way. Now I feel you in the rain, soft inside my veins. We were never just a moment, we were time that couldn't stay. Even distance couldn't own it, it still finds me every day. I reach for you, you reach for me, but we fall in memory. We were never just a moment, we were everything we couldn't say. I still wear your goodbye like skin, soft but heavy deep within. Every mirror shows your face in a slower, empty place. I learned how to smile through pain, but I still call you in the rain. When the world goes dark and slow, that's swear you always show. I told myself I'd move ahead, but you stay inside my head like a song that never ends, playing through my head. We were never just a moment, we were time that couldn't stay. Even distance couldn't own it, it still finds me every day. I reach for you, you reach for me, but we fall in memory. We were never just a moment, we were everything we couldn't say. If I could hold the falling night, I'd make you stay in my life. But love don't wait for perfect plans, it slips right through your hands. Still somewhere under all we lost, we were worth the cost. We were never just a moment, we were echoes in the sky. Even time couldn't control it, it refuses to die. And I reach and you are near, in the space between each tear. We were never just a moment, we were forever right here. I still feel you, I still remember. We were never just a moment I can't escape. I still talk to you when no one's listening, like you never left, like the rain still knows how to bring you back. I walk through nights that feel too wide, empty streets, no place to hide. Every light looks like your face in a slower fading space. I keep your silence in my chest, like a truth I can't confess. Time moves on, I stay behind, inside a broken piece of time. You said love would find a way, but it got lost along the way. Now I hear you in the rain, soft inside my pain. If the rain could hold us still, I would stay inside it still. No more distance, no more names, just the echo of our flame. I reach for you, you reach for me, but we fall so easily. If the rain could hold us close, we would never let it go. I still wear your goodbye like skin, soft but burning deep within. Every mirror shows your trace in a colder, slower place. I learned how to breathe alone, but you still live in my bones. When the world goes quiet and slow, that's where you always show. I told myself I'd move ahead, but you still live inside my head, like a song I never end, playing through every bed. But love don't wait for perfect hearts, it falls apart in parts. Still somewhere under all we lost,
we were worth the cost.
If the rain could hold us now,
I would never let it out. Every drop would know our names, every storm would feel the same.
I reach for you, you reach for me, like we're meant to be.
If the rain could hold us still,
We will love again.
I still wait for the rain.
I still wait
I still wait
for